Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all have completed the notes. Let us revise last day what all things we have learned. After that, we can discuss about two-dimensional. So let us see last day's topics. A point has dash dimensions. Anybody? A point has yes, a point has no dimensions. Point has no dimensions. Oh, very good. Very good. Next. Which are the one-dimensional figures or one-dimensional shapes?
Line, segment,
Okay. I will tell once. After that, I'll give you chance. So, line segment, ray, and curved lines. 4. Line segment, ray, and curved lines. Which are they? Line segment, ray, and curved lines. So these are the two things we have learned last day. First one, a point has no dimensions. A point has no dimensions. Second one, which all are the one-dimensional figures? Which all are the one-dimensional figures? Line segment, ray, and curved lines. So now I'm going to ask you, try to say answer. Okay. So, Ashif, please unmute. Ashif, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
A point has dash dimensions.
No dimensions.
Very good, Ashif. Very good. Now, Vaigalakshmi, please unmute. Can you name any one-dimensional shape? Anyone? We have learned 4. In that one. Please unmute.
Line segment, ray, curved line.
Very good. I asked one sheep, but she answered 4. Very good. So will you repeat the same answer? 4 one-dimensional shapes. Answer.
Line segment, ray, curved line.
Very good. Now Ashwajit, repeat. Which are the one-dimensional shapes?
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Good, very good. Line segment, ray, and curved lines. Now, Nainika, yes, repeat.
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Very good. These are the one-dimensional figures. Yes, Samanyaya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Abel. Yes, Abel Saju, unmute. Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Ray, line segment, ray, curved lines, and line.
Yes, line segment, ray, and curved lines. Okay, good. Now, let us discuss about two-dimensional shapes. You all studied two-dimensional shapes last year. And the last class, we already discussed about that. Which are the two-dimensional shapes? Who all knows? Yes, Diya. Diya CS, please unmute and tell. Which are the two-dimensional figures?
Square, rectangle, circle.
Circle, square, rectangle. One more is there.
Rectangle.
Triangle, rectangle, square, circle. Good, good. Anyway, you know. So these are the two-dimensional figures or 2D figures. Now let us learn in detail about square. A square has how many sides? Who knows? Yes, Ashwajit, unmute. Yes. How many sides?
4.
4 sides. Very good. 4 sides are there in a square. And what about the sides? Sides are equal or not? The sides, 4 sides of a square are equal or not equal? Now, yes. Now, how many corners are there? Who can say? Yes, Arav. Yes, Arav. How many corners are there? 4 corners. Yes. Now, we are going to learn how to name the corners and sides of a square. We have discussed the same last day. Still, you can revise. After that, we can write the notes. So, everybody, no need to open your book. Please hold your hands and listen. I'll tell you that time only you want to open your book. Okay? So, everybody fold your hands and listen. Close your all the books. Now, I'm going to draw a square. Here, for a square, how many straight lines are there?
4.
4 straight lines are there. In that, these 2 lines are which type of straight line? These two types.
Right. Horizontal line.
Sorry?
Horizontal line.
Horizontal. Yes.
Right.
No need to write. Don't need to write. Fold your hands and now these 2 lines are
Vertical line.
vertical lines. Okay. Now to name the square A, B, C, D. So when you name the corners or sides, you have to start from the first letter. Here, A is the first letter. You have to start from A. When you name sides or corners or name of this, when you name the square, you have to start from the first letter. Clear? So, here 4 corners are there. How will name the corners?
A, B, C,
Don't say A, B, C. You can say A. Yes, somebody is calling me. No need to write. No need to write. Please listen. A, B, C, and D. These are the 4 corners. Yes, these are the corners. Just name that using the 4 letters. One letter. Using 1 letter, you can name 1 corner. Like that, 4 corners are there. This corner is A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D. So A, comma, B, comma, C, and D are the 4 corners. Now sides. Sides are line segment. When we name line segment, we use 2 letters. Don't. You have to start from the first letter. Here A is the first letter. So,
side AB.
AB. No need to say side AB.
C.
Don't say like that.
D.
Please make a group of 2 letters and say. See, AB. That is the one side. What about this side? What is the name?
BC.
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 Group of 2 letters. Then BC, after that
Next is CD.
C. And this side
DA.
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 It will be good if you say DA. Don't say AD. It will be good if you. It will be better if you say DA, because we are doing it in a order. So like that you can say here A B C D. If you write like this, A B C D C D D A. Because from D we are starting and A we are ending. So D A. Like that. Say in an order. And what is the name of the square? Name of the square. Using the 4 letters together, you can name the
Square
Oh, very good. ABCD. So when you say, you can write square ABC. Name of the given square is square ABCD. No need to put commas between A, B, C, and D. Right? Square ABCD. Okay. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Is there any doubt? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Now all of you open your notebook. All of you open your notebook. Open your notebook and put today's date. You can write as continuation. Notebook. In the notebook. Till one-dimensional figures we have written. Down to that, put today's date. And give the heading. Two-dimensional figures. Two-dimensional figures. Or yes, you can write 2D figures. Two-dimensional figures or 2D figures. After that, give one side heading. First one, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, start writing. Yes, Devars. Open your book, start writing. After that, using your pencil and scale, draw one square.
Ma'am, Veda, don't finish.
Yes, you can complete it. And write. Name the corners A, B, C, D. Draw neatly Rayan and Ahyan, please turn on your video. Okay.
Ma'am, Shivanedia finish.
So let others complete. Krishnaraj, I cannot see you. Are you there? Ah, yes, yes. Okay.
Yes. Afia finished.
Okay.
Q.
Those who have completed this much can write. When you are writing, those who have completed this much, we have to name that sites. Those who have completed, try to write yourself.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, try to write the name of the sites. When you write sites, how many letters you have to make group?
A, B,
Yes, Afia, try.
A, B, C, and D.
Is that sites?
D, A.
Sites means
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
maybe some network issues are there. That's
Ma'am,
it.
A, B.
A, B, C, and D.
Yes. A,
A,
B.
B.
Able said correctly. A, B. A, B. This side is
Ma'am, we are finished.
good, good. A, B. Then next side is, this side is
B,
Side
C.
B, C.
B, C. Good. This side is
Next one is C, D.
very good. C, D. And the next one,
Next is D, A.
yes, very good. D, A. A, B, B, C, C, D, and D. Have to write in a order. Then you can write the corners. In the corners. You all know there are 4 corners. So name the corners.
A, B, C, and D.
A, comma B, comma C, and D. So write it now.
Ma'am, Veda finished.
Good.
Ma'am, we are finished.
Okay. Write the corners. A, comma B, comma C, and D.
Ma'am, we are finished.
Corners also finished.
Ma'am, no finish.
Okay. Those who have not completed,
Ma'am,
complete.
Afia Maria didn't finish complete. And Veda Samanvayas complete.
Okay. Have to write 2 more sentences.
Vedya complete. Ma'am, Rose complete.
Okay. Those who have completed, please wait. You have to write 2 more sentences. What is the name of the square? Given square? Name of the given square?
Square ABCD. Square ABCD.
Yes. Square ABC. That was,
Square AB.
not only A. We have to
Square ABCD.
yes. Square ABC. So
Square ABCD.
yes, correct. So next sentence. Those who have completed, start writing. The name, N-A-M-E, the name, the given square as we name the given square as square ABCD. Square ABCD. You can write the 4 letters together. Write neatly and with good handwriting.
Ma'am, Veda finish.
Okay, let us complete. So the sides are, 4 sides are A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A. So 2 letters you have to use. A, B, B, C, C, D, and D. That are the sides. Like that, corners, only one letter you have to use. A, B, C, and D. And the name of the given square is square ABCD. Vaiga, please turn on your video. Rose, have you completed?
Ma'am, Veda completed. Ma'am, Veda completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, was completed.
Oh, is there anybody left to complete? Devananda?
Ma'am.
Nobody is there to complete. Everyone completed. Huh?
Ma'am,
Few are.
yes, ma'am.
No answers I can hear. So please write neatly and fast. So, which are the sides of the given square? Rafan? Rafan Muhammad, can you say the sides of the others? Please unmute your audio. Only Rafan want to unmute. Rafan, please unmute. Rafan, which are the sides? Given square, sides of the given square. Your voice is not audible to me. Wait. Unmute. Unmute and say.
A,
Now, sorry.
A,
When you say sides, see, this is one side. So how you will name? The line segment. So
yeah,
A, B.
A, B, C, D.
After A, B, which is the next side? C.
A,
This
B,
one?
C.
B, C. Then
C, D, C, D.
C, D. Good.
D, A.
D, A. A, B. B, C. C, D. D, A. 4 sides. Is it clear to you now? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Who said no? Clear means have you understood? Who has doubt? Ask me. Okay. Continue. So side, when you say sides, you have to use 2 letters. Okay. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Now, Sahasra, name the corners.
A, B, B, C, C, D.
A, comma B, comma C, and D. So you can, using one letter, you can name the corner. A, B, C, and D.
D.
Okay, good. Now, Devananda, what is the name of the given square? What is the name of the given square?
A, B.
Using the 4 letters, you can name the given corners, the given 4 letters.
B, C, C.
That are the sides, dear Devananda. That are the sides. A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A. That are the sides. What is the name of the given square? Using the 4 letters together.
Square ABCD.
Somebody is saying.
C, D.
Square A, B, C, D. The name of the given square is square A, B, C, D. Good. Now, is there anybody left to write this much?
A, B, C.
One more sentence is there to write. Abel Saju not completed. Not completed? Yes. Okay. So, those who have completed, can I rub this?
No. Yes.
So, do one thing. Do one thing.
No.
So, do one thing. So, okay, it's okay. I know you are there to complete. So, do one thing.
No, ma'am.
I'm not going to rub this. You have to write those who completed this much. Write down next sentence. I cannot rub. That's why I am writing in the side. You can write down as the next sentence. N-O-T-E, note. A square has 4 equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides. A square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. A square has 4 equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides. So a square has how many equal sides? How many equal sides?
4.
4 equal sides. Square has 4 equal sides.
Yes. All of you write that. Write as the next sentence.
Ma'am, write this.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, write.
Yes, you can write. You have to write. A square has 4 equal sides.
Answer finished.
Very good. Those who
Answer
completed, mute
finished.
your audio and read the sentences you have written and check whether any mistake is there. Write neatly with good handwriting. A square has 4 equal sides.
Ma'am, nine gus finish.
Okay.
Shivaneka finish.
Okay, those who have completed, please
Teacher,
and read what you have written.
Sajid, not completed.
Pia, have you completed?
Ma'am, we are finished.
Pia,
Ma'am,
have you completed here?
Ma'am, Sajid finished.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Have you completed, Pia?
that's not finished.
Writing.
No, ma'am,
Okay,
completed.
right. Okay,
Ma'am, the essay is completed.
okay. Veda, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, will you name the sides of the given square?
Four sides.
Yes, name the sides.
A, B.
Let Veda say answer. Others, please keep quiet. Veda, say. Which are the sides?
A, B, C, D.
Sorry, A, B. After A, B?
A, B, C, D.
These are the sides. This is the way you have to name. Each line you have to name. So, start from here. This side is? What is the name of this side?
A, B.
A, B. Then, next side.
B, C.
B, C. Next side.
C, D.
After that?
D, A.
D, A. Very good. A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A are the sides. Okay. Now, which are the corners? Suryesh, tell me the corners. Name the corners. 4 corners are there. So, can you name the corners?
B, A.
Other sides, dear. Corners. I'm asking for corners. This one. Corners.
A. B. C, D.
A, comma B, comma C,
A,
and
B,
D.
C, D.
A, B, C, and D are the corners. Okay. And Afreen, what is the name of the given square?
A, B, C, D.
Square A, B, C, D. Okay. Square A, B, C, D. Good. Anyway, time is up, my dear children. Is there anybody left to complete?
No.
Have you all completed?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
Anyway, it's
No, ma'am.
time is up. Who all want to complete? How many remaining to complete? Please raise your hand if anybody is there to complete. Oh, Shivanedya. Oh, Shivanedya Sahasra. Okay. I will set the notes in the group. Please try to complete. Only little bit to write. Others all have completed, right?
Yes.
Okay. So try to complete it for the next period. So
Ma'am.
thank you, my dear children. I am going to wind up the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.